Very good evening, Avinash. So, is my voice is audible?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Welcome to Akshar Anand classes. This is Gafar sir, your physics faculty. Let's start our session. Yesterday we had some questions. Today also we will do some questions so that we can complete total chapter. Understand? Total chapter, sound chapter. Okay. We will do today oral questions related to sound chapter. Am I clear? I will give some questions today, oral questions. Previously sound chapter, this week sound chapter, all question will give so that we will complete the total chapter. Okay? Yeah, I'll share for you. Is it appearing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is a matrix match type questions. When this is a matrix match type questions, see here. Let's see 49th matrix match now. So for 49th matrix match, audible range. So what is the audible range here? What is the audible range generally? How many hertz to how many hertz audible range frequency?
20 hertz to 20,000 hertz.
So that this option will come R. Next infrasonic. Infrasonic means how many hertz?
Lesser than 20 hertz.
So this will come P. Ultrasonic. Ultrasonic means
Greater than 20 hertz.
so very good. So minimum distance to get an echo is 16.5. So totally what is the which option is correct? RPSQ. RPSQ. Which one is RPSQ? Option C. Option C is showing that RPSQ. So that is your answer. Next similar way 50th question. 50th matrix match. I am having disturbance, Avinash. Yeah. So 50th question. Pitch of sound. Pitch of sound. Tell me. Tell me pitch of sound. Pitch of sound related to what thing? Pitch of sound related to frequency. So Q option will come. Next loudness of sound relating to amplitude. So P will come. Increases in density. When increases the density, what going to be happen?
Decreases.
Increases density, even speed also increases. So what will be what will come? R will come. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Next increasing humidity. Increasing humidity.
Increasing speed of sound.
So what is the option will come? So option D will come. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Next pitch. Pitch, high pitch. High pitch means what is the frequency? High frequency. Low pitch means low frequency. Small amplitude means
Faint sound.
fade sound. Large amplitude means
Loud sound.
loud sound. So what is the option will come?
Option A, sir.
Option A. Okay na? So take this. Make it fast. Completed. We'll go for the next question. Next slide. Yeah, see this. The human heart beats 72 times per minute. This sound is audible sound, infrasonic sound, ultrasonic sound, supersonic sound. Which one is the correct answer?
Infrasonic.
Why? Human heart beats 72 times per minute. So what is that answer?
Audible.
Is it appearing to you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, human heart 72 times per minute. Generally, this is look at here. You know one thing. So audible range. We have to find the frequency of the heartbeat. What is the frequency? How do you find frequency of the heartbeat? The formula for frequency is frequency formula 1 by time period. So we have to find the time period for the heartbeat. So here, look at here, time period for the heartbeat is equal to how many times it is beating, how many in 1 second, how many, this is actually 72 times per minute. 72 times per minute means per minute how many seconds? 60 seconds. In 1 second, how many beats will happen? 72 by 60. How much is 72 by 60? 72 by 60 will be how much? 72 by 60 will be how much, Babu? Tell me 72 by 60. 72 divided by 60. So 1.2. When it is a 1.2 is less than, when it is 1.2, which would be less than 20 or greater than 20?
Less than 20.
So it would be what kind of?
Infrasonics.
Yeah, infrasonic. So our answer is what? Infrasonic. Make it fast. Yeah, option B. Next, an echo of sound produced by a man is heard from a distant hill after an interval of 2 seconds. If the speed of sound in air is 330 meter per second, then the distance of the hill from the person is. Tell me, how to solve this problem? How do you solve this problem? An echo of sound produced by a man is heard from a distant hill. See, a person is hearing he is a person. Let us imagine this is a hill. Okay, this is a hill. This is a hill. Now, an echo sound produced by a man is heard by a distance of hill is 2 seconds. Means here the sound is produced, the sound is reaching to this hill and coming back to this person. For that, how much time taken? 2 seconds time is taken. If the speed of the sound is 330, so speed of the sound is 330 meter per second, then what is the answer? There are distance of the hill their person is asking. Here, let us take a distance between hill and person is, let me take d. So, the general formula for speed is, what is the general formula for speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. So, distance is 2d and time is t. So, v is here, v value 330 is equal to 2 into d by 2, 2 gets cancelled, then d is equal to 330 meters. So what is the answer then?
Option A.
Option A. Same way, do for the next question. An echo is returned. Do for the next question. See the next question. Next question is what? Can I do? An echo is written in 3 seconds. If the speed of sound is 342 meter per second, then the distance between the source and the sound of the reflecting body. Yeah. So it is also similar kind. So here an echo returned in 3 seconds. So somewhere over here the sound is producing, from here sound is producing. This is a obstacle, okay. Now it is producing this way, it is hitting the obstacle and reaching to this person. And this, for this how many seconds happened? 3 seconds happened. And with what speed it is moving? It is moving with 342 meter per second speed it is moving. And they are asking that this distance. Here this distance to travel, it is taken how many seconds? 3 seconds. Total distance traveled by the body is 2d. So then V is equal to, so V is equal to 2d by t, then 2 into V value is 342 is equal to 2d by 3. So finally 2 ones are, how many times it will go? 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are, next one is how much? 7 and 1, 171. So D is equal to 171 into 3. What is the D is equal to 171 by 3? What's the value of D is equal to 171 by 3? Make it fast. Tell me the answer.
530.
What is the answer then?
B.
Yeah, take it.
Sir, can I see the upper row?
Which one?
Upper rows with some.
This sum you cannot see. Oh, sorry. I'll write once again. See here, this is a sound source. This is a sound source and this is obstacle. Here to here and this way it needs to travel together. For that 3 seconds is taken. With how much speed? 342 meter per second. So V is equal to 2d by t. Then V is 342 is equal to, V is 342 is equal to 2 into d by t value is 3. So 2 ones are 2, 171. So from here d is equal to 171 into 3. So which is equal to how much, Babu? 153 meter. So what is the answer then here? This is the answer. Person hears a gunshot 1.5 seconds after it is fired. How far is the person away from the gun? A person hears a gunshot 1.5 seconds after fired. How far is the person away from the gun? Yeah. How can you solve this? Here the diagram, look at the diagram. This is a person. Somewhere over here we have a gun. Okay. Somewhere over here we have a gun. He fired the gun so that when he fired the gun, this is the way the sound will reach us to the person. Means this is the distance they are asking. But he had heard that sound in 1.5 seconds. When he heard that sound in 1.5 seconds, what is the distance between sound and what is the distance between the person and gun they are asking? But here, when sound is moving this way, it is moving with, in the air it is moving. When it is moving the air, the speed of the sound is 330 meter per second. The speed of the sound is 330 meter per second. In this time it is traveled, then distance find out. Same formula. What is the formula? V is equal to distance by time. Then distance is equal to V into time. V value is 330, time value is 1.5. So finally 330 by 15 by 10. So 33 into 15. 33 into 15. What is the value of 33 into 15? Find out, tell me. What is the value of? Tell me quickly. What is the value of 33 into 15? It is also not appearing to you.
Appearances.
Then tell me.
33 into 15, It's 495, sir. 495, sir.
495. 33 into 15, 495.
Yes, sir.
We'll verify. How 33 into 15, 495?
33 into 15, 495.
495. But answer is not given, kada?
Yes, sir.
A person hears a gunshot 1.5 seconds after it is fired. How far is the person away from the gun? Okay. So actually this question is invalid, Babu. Why is the invalid? They did not mention the what? They did not mention the velocity, speed of the speed they did not mention, so we cannot do that. Next 57, a boy stands 83 meters in front of a high wall and then he blows a whistle. Calculate the time interval when he heard an echo. Speed of the sound is 332 meters per second. Yeah, this also we can do easily. So the thing is, here he has a wall here, and in front of the wall he blown the whistle. When he blown the whistle, this is the way the whistle will go. I mean sound of the whistle will go, and what going to be happen? It will hit the wall and return to this way. Understand? So how much distance it is traveled totally? Actually from here to here distance they are given 83 meters. So how many times the 83 the sound have traveled? 2 times here. So total distance traveled is 2d, that is 2 into 83. Same way, this distance traveled with how much speed? 332 speed. So this distance, then speed is equal to 332 meter per second. Then v is equal to 2d by t. Then t is equal to 2d by v. So 2 into 83 by 332. So what is the answer? 2 into 83 is 332. Tell me. How much is the answer?
2 seconds.
So what is the 2 seconds? Yeah, very good. So here this is the answer, option D. Next, when the lightnings strike, we hear multiple cracks of thunder. These multiple reflection of sound are called multiple reflection of sound is called reverberation. Next, quality of sound is used to distinguish between. Quality of sound is distinguished between noise and music, two different vibrating bodies, two notes produced by same vibrating body, all the above. So what is the option will come? All the above will come. Next, a drum produces a sound of low pitch because it has high frequency, low frequency, no metallic string, no. So it is a low frequency. Before playing the orchestra in a musical concert, a sitarist tries to adjust a tension and plug the string suitably. By doing, he is adjusting intensity of sound, amplitude of sound, frequency of the sitar, loudness of the string. Which one is? So it will come as C. Understand? Yeah, frequency of the sitar string with frequency other musical instrument. So this is the C option is correct. Understand? Next, yeah, this is only the questions. And next, I'll go for the next one. Next slide. The next slide is this one. See here, next slide. read this. A long flexible spring which can be compressed or extended easily is called. So actually, I mean, this is a paragraph type questions. Okay, this is a paragraph type questions. A long flexible spring which can be compressed or extended easily is called slinky. Is called slinky. So first one is the waves along the slinky when it is pushed and pulled at one end are. The wave along the slinky when it is pushed and pulled at one end are transverse wave, longitudinal wave, mechanical wave, electromagnetic wave. What is the answer here? So here when you push back, pull and push back, what going to be happen? Longitudinal waves will come kada. Next one more is what? In a spring the part in which the coil are closer together, then the normal is called. In a spring the part in which the coils are closer together, then the normal is called. What is the normal? Compression. Understand? In a spring a part in which the coil are further apart or normal is called rarefaction. So the SI unit of wave velocity is meter per second. The SI unit of wave velocity is meter per second. The distance travelled by the wave in one time period is called. The distance travelled by the wave in one time period is called. The distance travelled by the wave in one time period is called. Called frequency. Understand? The relation among the wave velocity, wavelength and time period is. Which one is the right answer? This one is the right answer. Option B. Next one is, yeah. Next one is, in this given question, amplitude of the above shown in wave is, amplitude of above shown. Amplitude is nothing but from this position to this position. This distance is called amplitude. Understand? When this distance is called, say, so here to here. From here, this distance is called amplitude. So how much is the distance then? So that is the first is the answer. Understand? Shall we go for next one? Yeah, we'll go for the next slide.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. The time period of a wave is 0.5. Its frequency is. The time period of a wave is 0.5. Its frequency is. Is it appearing?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the time period of a wave is 0.5. Its frequency is. Frequency always frequency is equal to 1 by t. Then frequency is equal to 1 by t is what? 1 by 0.5, which is equal to 1 by 2. F is equal to 2. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Next one is frequency of the wave is 1000 Hz. Then what is the time period? Tell me. Make it fast. Next, tell me the answer. What is they given? Frequency they given 1000 Hz. Then time period is equal to they ask. So frequency is equal 1 by t. T is equal to 1 by 1000. So which is equal to 0.001 second is your answer. So what is the answer? Which one is the right answer? Sorry, option A. not C. Option A is correct answer. Understand? Next, a wave travels a distance of 20 meters. A wave travels a distance of of 20 meters in the time interval of 0.2 seconds. Its speed is. So you can find the answer by using the general formula for speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. Then speed is equal to distance is 20, time is 0.2. So V is equal to 20 by 2 by 10. 20 by 2 by 10. V is equal to 200 by 2, which is equal to 100. So V is equal to 100 meter per second. So what is the answer then? Option D is the correct answer. Next.
The body makes 100 vibrations in 4 seconds.
Hmm.
Then its frequency is
Hmm. Tell me. Tell me, if a body makes 100 vibrations in 4 seconds, frequency is 100 vibration in 4 seconds, then in 1 second how many vibrations? 25. So which means that, so answer is what? 25 Hz. The frequency of a wave travels at a speed of 500 meter per second and is 25 Hz. Its a time period will be. So here, this you can find by using the formula V is equal to n lambda. Understand? So here, time period there are V is equal to 1 lambda by T. N means frequency, we can write a lambda by T. So here, but they are asking the direct, actually here they given directly frequency kada. Frequency is equal to 1 by, frequency is equal to 1 by T. T is equal to 1 by 25. 1 by 25 is nothing but 0.04. So 0.04. So what is the answer here? Option D is the answer. Understand? So that way we have the answers. So anyhow, so take a screenshot of this. Take a screenshot of this, and remaining questions you can solve. So I will stop the session. In the next class, we will discuss a new chapter. Okay, na? For today, we will stop the session. Take the screenshot. Remaining questions you can solve. I think you have these notes.
yes, sir.
Yeah, you can solve. For today, I will taking this. Bye.